Hola. So, this week number 5, it's very short. Okay, why so short? Why you don't have to do that many homework and that many assessment? Because it's only one lesson. From week 1 to 4, there were two units. All right. Now, uh, week 5 and up is going to be only one unit. Okay, so now, yes, you can take your time. I know you've been working a lot, doing a lot of homework, a lot of assessment, but now this is the time where you can kind of, okay, I'm going to chill, right? And the topics are no hard, no like the first 4 weeks. These topics are a lot easier compared with the first weeks. Okay, so today we're going to learn about ordinal numbers, numeros ordinales, how you say first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and up, all right? So again, you see, we say in Spanish, it's right here, you say primero, segundo, tercero, cuarto, quinto, sexto, séptimo, séptimo. This one right here because the accent, séptimo, octavo, noveno, and décimo. Now you see how in parentheses A. Why? Because again, you're right, Spanish is weird. In Spanish, we all have everything, it have gender and number. Okay, so if you're talking about a thing that is masculine, it have to end in O, but if it's feminine, it have to end in A, right? I'm been saying this over and over and over. So here is some example, right? Es la primera película de María Conchita Alonso. So you see how, it's the first movie of María Conchita Alonso. So you see how I'm using primera and no primero. Why I'm using primera? Because we're talking about the movie, okay, the movie. En película, it's feminine because ends in A. So primera, which is first, have to end in A, all right? And I'm going to come up with more sentences. Ella es la primera chica. And blah, 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 blah. She's the first girl. You see how this one ends in A? Because I'm describing chica. All right, how about if I say, ellas son las, I forgot to do la here. La. Ellas son las primeras chicas. They are the first girls. All right, and blah, 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 blah. You see, I just want you to see how this one refer to girls, how this one refer to girls and girl, okay? And they have to match in number and gender. Ellos son los terceros chicos. Okay, you see how this one ends in OS? It's because we're describing the boys. Okay, we're talking, not describing, we're talking about the boys. And boys are masculine and more than one, so this one have to match number and gender. Now, this is the tricky part. Only with primero, okay? This is what happened. So whatever you're talking about, right, which is this part right here, if it's masculine but it's only one, you have to drop the R. For example, yo vivo en el primero piso. That means I live in a building, right? But I'm telling you, I live in the first floor. So piso is floor, and piso is masculine, and it's only one. So again, when it's masculine, it's only one, you have to drop that O. That O goes away. Okay, yo vivo en el primer piso. And you do it with primer, segundo, and with third, okay, and third. Only with primero, first, and third. All right. Let me see if you do it with right here. You do it only with first and third. When whatever you're talking about, it's masculine, it's in O, and it's singular, you have to drop that O. ¿Sí? ¿Entendiste? All right, so another one. Ella vive en el tercer, well, let's do tercero, piso. All right, piso is floor. It's only one. It's masculine, so you have to drop that O. Tercer piso, okay? You only do it with primero and tercero, which is first and third. Now, with the second and fourth and fifth, you don't do it. Ella vive en el segundo piso. Okay, that will be she lives in the second floor. See, it doesn't matter. You leave the O there. Okay, and you, let's see, and you don't do it for second. You don't drop no O. You don't do it for cuarto, quinto, sexto, séptimo, octavo, noveno, and décimo. You only gonna do it with first and third. Okay, everything else stay the same. If it's masculine, and ends in O, so the ordinal number have to end in O, except for primero and tercero, okay? But now, if it's masculine but more than one, you don't drop no O, you gotta add an S. For example, ellos, él es el primer chico, right? He's the first boy, whatever, blah, 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 blah. So I drop the O. But again, if I say chicos, you don't have to drop no O, all right? But you gotta add an S because it's more than one. Primeros, chicos. And then here, of course, doesn't make sense. You gotta say they. They are. And this one have to be all plural. Okay, all plural. You got to talk all in plural and masculine. All right, this is not really difficult at all. All right? So the only thing you have to pay attention is with primero and tercero. If whatever you're talking about is masculine, just drop the O. And if not, it's just have to agree with number and gender. All right? Adios.